You only need two measurements: bust and hip. The specialized scale is of primary importance. A pin is put through the hole representing the bust measurement and then placed in the center of the cross. The scale is guided around the pattern until it touches one of the lines with a number on it. This number stands for centimeters and means that a dot should be put next to the tape measure at the respective number. A foolproof method of getting the pattern right. Women have always had the desire to be able to make individual dresses that match their own taste in color, style, and design. Choosing and making your own patterns is the ideal way to create your personal style and achieve consistently proper fitting garments. After all the dots have been placed, they are then connected. The tailor's curve and the acrylic designer's curve make perfect lines and curves, which makes connecting the dots incredibly easy. The teaching kit, the Lutterloh system, contains 280 different patterns and models, from a simple bathrobe to elegant evening gowns.